Hello friends, welcome to the session how to use S/4HANA Fiori App Manage Bank Statement. In this presentation, we try to explain the S/4HANA Fiori App Bank Statement Management, its features, benefit, and step-by-step processes involved in using the application. We cover the practical aspects of RICO, transitioning from legacy transaction codes and optimizing financial operations with this in the S/4HANA landscape. In the evolving landscape of SAP S/4HANA, the management of bank statement for reconciliation purpose has undergone a significant transformation. The traditional reliance on transaction code like FF67 for manual bank statement processing is now being phased out in favor of more intuitive and integrated Fiori application. The Managed Bank Statement app, that app ID is F1564, represents a pivotal shift towards modern user-centric interface streamlining financial operations. The new Managed Bank Statement in S/4HANA is designed for seamless bank statement reconciliation and uploading. It replaces the need for older transaction FF67, which often requires specific screen variants for field selections and lacked Excel upload functionality. Now, this Fiori app offers a user-friendly experience, providing a consolidated view of both electronically and manually uploaded bank statements, simplifying status tracking. A key feature is the direct manual bank statement upload capability through Excel file, significantly improving efficiency and reducing manual error. So navigating the Fiori Launchpad to access Managed Bank Statement, you need to have the Fiori Launchpad access with a specific link so as to access the Fiori Launchpad. Once you have access to the Fiori Launchpad with the URL, you can see the screen like this. You can see the screen like this. You can search for a specific app by typing in the search bar as Managed Bank Statement. Once you start typing in, you will get the Managed Bank Statement here. You can double click on the Managed Bank Statement or click on it and you will get a screen of Manage Bank Statement. To access the Managed Bank Statement, you should of course have the authorization given by the authorization team so as to access the Managed Bank Statement app. Now, this is the Managed Bank Statement. Once you clicked on the Managed Bank Statement, this is the Managed Bank Statement front-end screen in the Fiori app, which shows you various fields which are available here. So you will find here house bank account, company code, and all that. You can see specific house bank company code, or you can just click on the go, and you will get all the bank statements what are there in the company visible at one go. So you can click on create to create the new bank statement. When you click on create, you get the new bank statement screen here, where you can upload the bank statement. So here you can generate a template. So basically, a template will be generated with predefined columns, fields, and these are the columns which you need to follow so that data is uploaded in that format and can be imported. Okay. Now, before that, these are the various screens, various fields where you can upload the details: house bank, bank statement number, house bank, the opening balance, the company code, the closing balance, etc. And the details is uploaded. So basically, all the details of the bank is captured in the header, and the item details are captured in the template. Okay. So we click on the generate template, and the bank statement template is generated This is the bank statement template which is generated. So you can click here to download it, and this is the bank statement template which is generated. So you will find here the header, all the header part, and there is an example. Second line is an example. This needs to be deleted before you upload. So we fill the upload template. So we update the template with the manual transactions here. Now if you see, Z03 is inflow and Z04 is outflow. And we update the value date when the transaction occurred, the amount of the transaction. So inflow is the positive amount, outflow is negative amount. So whatever is going out is outflow. So here we talk more about inflow and outflow. What is inflow and what is outflow? Inflow is nothing but credit. Credit in the sense customer payments received, interest received, loan disbursement. This is your inflow, and we represent that with a positive sign. And anything outflow is a debit. Debit in the sense we show vendor payments, utility bills, bank charges, and it is shown with a negative sign. So here we scroll to the right, and we will find we need to update all these memo lines. These are the details which are captured. All the details of the bank are captured here. We scroll further to the right and update the description and the assignment. So these are the fields which we normally update with the bank from the bank statement. And we scroll back to the left side and we delete the example line. The second line, which is an example, we delete it. And we are ready to upload. The second line is deleted, and this is the file which is ready to upload. So we click on the save button and then save it, and we can click on the import button here. So we click on the import button, and when we click on this, we get a message saying that the existing bank statement will be deleted after import. Do you want to continue? So we click on yes, and we get this screen to upload. So we click on upload here, and we click on upload, and again the same message is popping up. So you can say yes, and click on upload here, and we select the bank statement one, which was updated by us. And what we do is we also update all the details. Now what is the bank details? We update the bank details, the house bank account, bank statement, and all that details. Okay, and the bank statement date, bank statement number, and so on and so forth. And then we click on the create button. Once we click on the create button, we get an error message saying that opening balance does not match with the closing balance, and also the calculated closing balance is not matching. So to see what exactly it means, we click on this particular thing. So when you click on this, you get details that does not match the closing balance. So the prior closing balance which was there, which was uploaded, shows you the balance of 11,678. Okay, so we need to update the opening balance and calculate the closing balance. So what we do is we update the opening balance, and based on the movements in the file which we are trying to upload, we update the closing balance. That's what we have done, and we again click on create. Once we click on create, what happens is the bank statement is saved. Now if you see here, the status is saved. Okay, and now next step is, this is showing a status saved, and next step is to post it. So we click on the post button, and it gets status as completed. So the document is completed. Okay, so now it's posted. We can see the accounting entries if required. We scroll down and see these are the items which we had uploaded. So we click on any of this line. So we click here and scroll down, and you see that the bank ledger document number is there. We click on this particular bank ledger document number. This is nothing but the accounting document number. And then we click on the manage journal entries. So manage journal entry is nothing but this is showing you the entry view, the header part. The header part shows the journal entry date, the posting date, the posting periods, journal entry type, the company code, the reference, all that stuff when it was entered. When you scroll down, we get the accounting entry. So what is the accounting entry? Citibank account, main Citibank account is debited, and the Citibank incoming is is created. Okay, so this is the accounting entry which is posted. So we come back, and normally we can actually, now if you want to create the next statement, want to update the next statement, we can do it from the detail screen, or also we can reverse it. If you want to reverse this, we can reverse it as well. Now normally we will go back to the main screen and try to create the next statement. So we are in the main screen now. We are back in the main screen, and we want to upload a statement. So what we do is we click on this particular screen, the last statement which is upload. We click on that, and now we are coming on the bank statement screen. So here what we do is we click on the create next button. So once we click on create next button, what happens is automatically the house bank details, everything gets captured. So your house bank details, your house bank ID, bank statement, the next bank statement number is updated. The opening balance also is updated automatically from the last statement. Okay, everything gets copied. So that is the beauty of this create next statement. And then you can proceed to update the bank statement. Okay, so everything is getting updated. That's what we're saying, bank statement number, opening balance. So now change the display to show the status. So now currently this is the manage bank statement. We don't know what is the status, whether it is successfully done, uploaded or not. So we want to bring in the status. So what we do is we click on the settings, and this is the current setup. We deselect one of the fields. Let's say we deselect company code. We don't want to see the company code. And once we deselect that and click on OK, we see the statement status as completed. So here statement status completed, not completed, reversing process, so on and so forth. So that brings us to an end to the S4 HANA Manage Bank statement. Hope you liked it. Thank you.